welcome to our channel. Today's video is about how to replace an exterior mirror on a 4th generation Ford Mustang. The vehicle that we're using today for this illustration is this 2001 Ford Mustang GT. Obviously the steps are going to be similar to all the other Mustangs that are in the 4th generation. During my last video I explained how to remove the door panel on this car. Because of that, I'm not going to show it on this video. But what I'm going to do, however, is include a link. That way you can watch it and continue on to remove the exterior mirror. With that said, let's get started. So once the door panel has been removed, the next step is to remove the tweeter. I'm going to bring the camera up close so you can see how this is done. So if you look in this cavity right there, you can see the screw. You can either use a 7mm socket or a Phillips screwdriver to remove it. What I'm using is a 7mm socket. And just detach the tweeter box, and it's going to be a little easier if you just unplug it and move it out of the way. So you can see the connector right there. I'm just going to use this pick to kind of pry on it a little bit on the connector and just pull it out like that. And there's the tweeter box. And you can already see the retaining nuts already exposed. If your Mustang has power mirrors, which most of them do, you want to disconnect the electrical connector, so insert a pick right there so you can open the tab for the electrical connector and then just disconnect it just like that. Once you have disconnected the electrical connector, you need to detach this plastic clip from the door panel. As you can imagine, this is what sends power to your power mirror. Next, slide the wiring harness up like that so it's free. Next, remove the 3 holding nuts using an 11mm socket and ratchet. Make sure that when you're done to the last one, you hold the mirror with your other hand so it doesn't fall on the floor. So just like I mentioned, I'm down to the last one, so hold your mirror so it doesn't fall. And guide the cable out. Just like that. As you can imagine, installing your new mirror is just the reverse process, so make sure you install all your components back in the reverse order. That's how simple it is to replace the exterior mirror on a 4th generation Ford Mustang. Thanks for watching today's video. See you next time.